Hey everyone, how's it going? So we had a lot of really good feedback from our LUCA drawing yesterday. So today I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw another character from the show, and that is Alberto. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Alberto from LUCA, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to come down here. We're going to leave some space, and we're going to make another little line that comes down here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come around, and it's going to come back up. Next, we're going to kind of curve these two lines up. And then we're just going to add a few little bumpy lines on here. Now, starting down here, we're going to make his hair. So we're just going to make some big bumpy lines. They're going to come up pretty tall. And they're just going to be a lot of different little bumps all over here. And they're going to get a little closer together as they come closer down, or farther down. Now, let's start with the face. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a circle for one eye. We're going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle for the other eye. I'm going to make a little sad face right here. And then I'm going to make two little dots for the nose. And then right in here, I'm going to add two black dots for the pupils. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down to a point, and the same thing here, up, and then it's going to come down to a point. Now, starting here, we want to make his face, or his mouth. So we're going to start here by making a smile. We're going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come around, and then up to here, kind of like a jelly bean shape. We're going to make some smiley faces in here for some teeth, and a little curved line across for the tongue. Now we want to make his ears. So right out here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go out, and it's going to come back really skinny. And we're going to do that 3 more times. So we're going to have 4 of these. So that'll be 3 and 4. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to go out and then come back real skinny. And we'll do that same thing. So we have 4 of these. Next, we're just going to connect them with some curved lines to make them look like they're like little fins. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and it's going to come up for the neck. Then we're going to make 2 lines that are going to come off the side here. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. You see it's kind of at an angle, and it's going to go up. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come up here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and up, sort of like a rectangle shape. Next, we're going to make a little line that curves off to the side, and a little line that's going to come down here. Right here, we're going to make a kind of like a rounded, cornered rectangle shape for part of his pant leg with a little curved line here. And then we're going to make kind of like that same shape over here. And we're going to draw a little line in here to connect. Now for the legs, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come over. Make a line that's going to go down and come up for a little toe. 1 more here. And we're going to make 1 more here, and it's going to come up and in. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to come up. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back. Low line's going to go down and up for a toe. One more here, and one more right here, and we're going to go up and then come back to here. Next, we're going to make a low line that's going to come up and then connect right to here. Now we want to make his arms. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to come down. And another one here, it's going to go out and then down. Make a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come to a little bit of a point for a finger and then come back. We'll make one more here. And we'll do one more right here and then come back. Over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. And we'll bring this line up. We'll make a little line that's going to come up and then down for the thumb. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down for a finger. Another one here. And then one more right here, and we're going to come right back. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then back to here. Next, we're going to make some little triangles here. And we're going to put some little points right here. Now, the last thing we want to do is add the tail. So I'm going to start here. We're going to draw a line right to the hand. We're going to kind of jump over here, and we're going to bring it out to here. We're going to make it come to like a rounded point. We're going to keep it nice and skinny, and then it's going to get bigger and bigger as it comes back towards the body. Right towards the end, we're going to add some kind of little skinny lines with some little curved lines in between them. And then we're also going to add a little line in here, and we're going to put some little bumps right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Alberto from the movie Luca. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.